Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back and happy Friday today. We're looking at the weekend. Of course, we're supposed to get sleet and garbage here, but anyways, today I'm following up on one of our projects, actually the biggest pond that I ever built. And this is my buddy Mark's property. You could see this. I did all of this project, I think, last year. So up here, I'm just cleaning the ditch a little. And here's the after look with the new 3-inch stone. I'm gonna definitely come and check this on our next heavy. But today we're gonna go check in on that pond. This is the one that we struggled with. I tried tin and riprap. Lost one. And then get into the clay and get going. Let me back up. First we tried tin, and then we were going to add riprap on top of it, but we didn't have the riprap, so the tin got washed out. Anyways, I'll show you some clips of that. Alright, I'm back at the big pond project here. Hopefully I can wrap it up. So this is that area where he wanted me to extend it, so I'm basically connecting it kind of in a circle shape. But I had to get out of the house and get some fresh air, so let's go see how it's doing, if the whole dam is blown out or if it's still intact. Well, they haven't even pulled the beans off of here yet. Look at this. This is a deer runway right here. Convenient. The other two are just a little higher. So also on this one we cheated and used 10-foot pipes. I mean, ideally you want the dam to be bigger than that, but it saves cost. It'll start hitting the other two. And that's where I ran into a little bit of a trouble, but I'm pretty sure it held up. I also got an update from Curtis that the 8-acre pond, my pipe is flowing over there and the pond is up like 2 feet. So I got to get a follow-up on that one also. So this was the first check in July when we realized this thing takes on way too much water. It filled in 12 hours. This entire pond just filled up. So we're getting erosion back here already. So the next step was to try and fix that. So I brought in some sheet metal sheets and we laid that down. I was going to try and put riprap over the top of it, but let's see what happened to the sheets of metal first. Man, this pond is beautiful. Oh, look at the geese. They told me the geese have been using this. Let's check out this pipe here, which is running over this pond. And of course, they love the soybeans out there. So this is going into the pond. Little redneck ingenuity, look at that. Whew. It's looking pretty good, man. We didn't get him up underneath far enough. Darn it. Yeah. See how it's spilling backwards there? Gonna be back to the drawing board, I think, for that. One of his miscanthus screenings. Well, the good news is I see water. All right, boy, we're looking good. If you remember, this was all woods here. Had to clear all the trees out of here, and we wanted to fix that field. That water was just coming down and soaking that field, so I made that cut. And you could see it's working. I mean, look at the tracks here. It's just insane. There's a big buck track right there. No, that's the back of a hoof. Wow, look at that. And then I put this pipe here just for the trail. That's still good. That's still in place. Wow, that's nice. Let's take a walk around the back. I see he's got a little riprap over there. I don't know if he just spilled that or if it overflowed the dam. See, Mark planted something in here. Yeah, this turned out beautiful. This whole thing was just low and flooded all the time. So now this new ditch brings it right into this pond. So that opens up this corner for him to add to his food plots. So here's where we had the problem. You know, these are 10-foot pipes, so you can only make the dam, you know, about 8 to 9 feet wide. And then we had a bunch of erosion back here. So we decided we were just going to pull the tin out, and Mark ended up doing this on his own. Pulled the tin out and hit it with riprap, and we've been getting, you know, pummeled with rain. So it's been tested thoroughly. Matter of fact, that pipe is still running over there on the left, but beautiful. Still holding. Yeah, we got a little bit of erosion there. But he knows. I'll be back here in the spring if we need to tighten it up, but looks really good.